Hey guys, it's that Dividend guy coming at you with another dividend investing video. Happy Monday. Hopefully everybody had a great green day in the market. Obviously we didn't, but we did recover a bit, almost half of what, well, a little less than half of what we lost. So we are down today about 500 bucks. For the week we're down about 2 grand. The month we're down 5 grand. 3 months we're down 6 grand. For the year we're down 3. And all time we are down 3,500. So we're down about 21%, which is overall what the market went down. I believe it was a 20% drop. So we're pretty much reflecting the market all time. And then the month's pretty bad. And then the 3 month is just crazy. But the funny thing is, guys, keep in mind I know the stocks are down right now, right? And I'm not worried about it. It's all good. The reason I'm excited is that now I get a chance to buy some of my favorite stocks. Once I get paid on Monday, I'm going to be transferring cash over. And there's a lot of deals in the market, and I just want to take advantage. But the reason I get all excited when I see that negative 6 grand, I have a $19,071 portfolio when the stock market. I almost have 20K. By the end of the year, I'll have a 20K portfolio. Here, real quick, I'm going to turn my brightness up so you can see a little bit better. So there we go. 20K portfolio right there. Pretty close. I mean, it's like 19,075 bucks. I'll definitely get another grand in there easy before the end of the year. So goal is 20K by the end of the year. That's insane. So we're already almost there according to the drop. Let's take a look at the individual stocks. So Altria is at a discount right now. Our average cost is $45. It's 32, so we'd be down about 10 bucks a share, 12 bucks a share. So 98 shares, 31.65 is our equity, 45.30 is our average cost. 24% of the portfolio is in Altria stock. We're down 194 or 5.7%. Total, we're down $1,200. The thing that I love about this, though, is that Altria is paying me about $80 a month. So I can actually buy now 3 shares of Altria guaranteed now at this lower price. So that's awesome. Then we have Coca-Cola. April, when do they pay? They should be, they haven't announced it yet, that's why. I was going to say, they should pay, Altria and Coca-Cola pay the same months, I believe. They might differ, but let's take a look at Coca-Cola. 20 shares, $774 of equity, 51.26 is our average cost. About 6% of the portfolio is in Coca-Cola stock. That will go up. $8 we're up today, about 1%. We're total down 24% or $251. Then we have FRT. This one's been getting hit like crazy here. 1 share, 66.67 is our equity, 113. So it's like almost half the value. 0.5% of the portfolio is in FRT, down $4, almost 5 today, 6%. 6.5%. Total, we are down $47 or 41% from when we bought it. Like last week, too. It was like last Wednesday when I bought the stock. Then Pepsi, 1 share, 107. So we're down about $22 or $23 from here as well. Average cost is $131.54. About 1% of the portfolio is in Pepsi. I prefer Coke over Pepsi, but I do like brand. Okay, so like soda-wise, I like Coke more than Pepsi, right? But company-wise, I actually like Pepsi more than Coke. The only reason that I prefer, or I have more shares of Coca-Cola currently, is because they actually outstatus Pepsi. So Pepsi's like 3 years away from becoming a dividend king, maybe 2 now if they up their dividend again this year, I believe. They're a few years away from king status. That's why I'm more heavy on Coca-Cola. But once Pepsi becomes a king, I will probably have Pepsi more than Coca-Cola. But again, I'm kind of iffy on it. So like, I like Pepsi more as a company, but I love Coca-Cola as like the actual pop. So I have 1 share, 107 is our equity, 131.54 is our average cost, less than 1%, down up $3 today, about 3%, down $24 or 18%. Coca-Cola is going to be one of my big mainstays, and I would not mind Pepsi being a pretty big position in the portfolio as well. Next, we have Disney. I have 2 shares, 175.44 is our equity, again, down pretty far with this as well. 105.53 is our average cost, 1.3% of the portfolio is in Disney stock, up $3.48 today, or 2%. Total, we're down 35 or 16% from when we bought it last Wednesday. Lowe's has been hit just as hard. 2 shares, 138 is our equity, 186 is our average cost. We could drop by $31 a share. Almost, or 31 bucks. 1% of the portfolio is in Lowe's. This is a king. I will be adding more to it. 528 up today, about 4%. Total, we're down 63 or 32%. Then AT&T, this one's one that I've been holding for a couple of years now. It's one of the first stocks I ever bought. 62 shares, about $1,700 of equity, 31.10 is our average cost, so it's finally below, which means that we can now forever buy another share at this discounted price of AT&T. We are now dividend deficient in AT&T. About 13% of the portfolio is in AT&T, down $75 today, or 4.29%. Total, we're down $239.92, or 12.4%. Then we have AbbVie, which this one I'm just as excited. AT&T and AbbVie have been the little rascals in my portfolio. I've really wanted them to be down, but they just keep going up. And with this crash, they're now at a level where I can comfortably buy a share, which is phenomenal, just like Altria. So 60 shares here, almost $4,000 of equity, 72.22 is our average cost. So we can go pretty low. We can drop down pretty nice on our average cost here. 30% of the portfolio is in AbbVie, down 169.20 today, or 4.1%. Total, we're down 373, or 8.6%. Then American Express, 3 shares, 206.88 is our equity, 97.73 is our average cost. So again, almost $30 a share that we could get off with this purchase if we buy more shares. $1.5% of the portfolio is in American Express stock. This is my favorite out of the credit card stocks versus Visa, MasterCard. I know they grow a little bit more. The dividend's more efficient here, though, for the price. So 3 shares, 206 is our equity, 97.73 is our average cost, so we could jump down 30. We're down overall about 29%, which is fine. Sorry. Roommate's texting me. Then we have SKT. This one, again, I am dividend deficient, and I have $7.20 coming to me for this dividend, so I will be able to buy another share. 20 shares, $119 of equity, $12.44 is our average cost. About 1% of the portfolio is in SKT, and I'm going to keep it that way. This one, I don't want too inflated because, as you can see, it's really been hit by the market. Down $20 today, or 14%. Down $129 total, or 52%. This has lost half its value. I bought it at 12, and it's less than 6. So if this does stay, if the fear in the market and whatnot stays, I will be dividend deficient in this one as well. Then we have Johnson & Johnson, 2 shares, $226.20 of equity. $135.79 is our average cost. 1.73% of the portfolio is in Johnson & Johnson stock. This one will be a big pillar. This is my favorite stock. I just haven't bought it because it's been so inflated lately. $135.79 is our average cost. 1.7% of the portfolio is in Johnson & Johnson stock. Down about $14 today. 5.6%. Down 45 total, or 16.71%. So again, from last Wednesday, we're down almost 20%. Same here with 3M. Bought this last Wednesday as well. 2 shares, $242.60 is our equity, $147.28 is our average cost, 1.86% of the portfolio is in 3M. Today we're down $7, or 2.87%. Total, we're down $51.95, or almost 20% again. Then we have Target, 10 shares, $988.90. This has been a long stay in the portfolio as well. This one stuck out to me as a king. That was pretty cheap compared to its contemporaries, Dividend Kings being 3M and Johnson & Johnson. So Target was a better deal, and it hasn't really fallen as far as I bought it, which is crazy. This is one of those that it's retail, so I would kind of expect it. I know it's grocery as well, but I would expect this one to be hit more than, say, a Johnson & Johnson or 3M, because they have products that would sell. Johnson & Johnson and 3M have products that will be used to help fight the coronavirus or help people, protect against it. Target really doesn't. I mean, they have household products and stuff, but I would think, that's kind of the industry that 3M and Johnson & Johnson are positioned in. But Target's been holding up pretty strong. I bought it at $87.68. 7% of the portfolio has been in Target. Up 14, almost $15 today, 1.5%, and total we're up 112, or 12.79%. So it's rare to see a stock up, but it's only up because I bought it so high. Originally, I do believe it was at like 130, yeah. So $130, which dropped a good $30 if you bought it when it was at its highs. Then we have Dominion. I wanted utilities. I've read a lot that Motley Fool and other places that smart money, when there's a recession, it goes into utilities, which would be like Alliant, Dominion, Duke, that type of thing. Even Southern, they go to utilities, so that would be water, waste, and electricity, which we're going to hit all 3 of those here. So this is electricity. I have 2 shares, $118.78. 80.52 is our average cost. About 1% of the portfolio is in Dominion. Sorry, I just listed them off. Dominion. I like it better than Duke. I like the dividend growth a little bit more. Today we're down $15.66 or 11.65%. Total we're down $42.25 or 26.24%. Then we have ExxonMobil, which this one's down big too. 32 shares. Which is actually its cost. $1,027.52 is our equity. 70.59 is our average cost. 7.87% of the portfolio is an ExxonMobil stock that will be going up when I transfer money. So today we're down $20. Total we're down 1,200 or 54%. So down big on that one. Then we have Walgreens, 1 share, 44.35 is our equity, 54.60 is our average cost, 0.34% of the portfolio is in Walgreens, really small position. I do want to build this one up. We're down 207 today, 4.46%. Total we're down 10.25 or 18%, so nearly 20% on that one as well. And then Realty Income, I'm going to go through the watch list real quick. Sorry, so that's the end of my stocks. But then the watch list, Realty Income, definitely anything close to $40 is a buy. Walmart at 116, no, I wouldn't touch it. Kimberly-Clark, definitely, it's only one up from the dollar. Yes, for Illinois Tool Works. Colgate 60, yes. Procter Gamble, yeah. Clorox, no, that one hasn't gone down at all. They've been selling like crazy. Selling products, I mean. American States Water, no. Waste Management, yes. IBM, yeah. McDonald's, no. Home Depot, I think it's probably fairly priced. So there's a lot of deals in the market, guys. Sorry. Friends are texting me. Friends and a roommate. So, I mean, if you look at it real quick, total gain loss, look at this. Like, oh, I wish it would show the percentage. Here, I'll do total percent change. So, like, out of the current stocks in the portfolio, SKT and ExxonMobil are really good. Like, the only thing green in my entire portfolio is Target. So, honestly, buys for me would be ExxonMobil. Anything that's up like $20 or more, 20% or more. So Altria, Coca-Cola, definitely FRT, Pepsi, Disney. Like, look at this. Almost everything is a buy. Honestly, when I transfer the cash over, I'm going to be heavily focused on the 36912. That's the goal for the portfolio now, is to get $100 in March, to pay me in March, because I have 100. I'm close to 100. I will be at 100 by the end of the year, guaranteed. On the first of so January is about to 100. It's at 98. And with the dividends that I get from Altria, I will be at the end of the year. So new money is going to be going into the 36912 group, which would be Johnson & Johnson and below. And with that big drop in both ExxonMobil and Dominion, I'm going to be buying up shares. So I'm going to try to transfer about 500 over a month, I believe, which that will help my passive income. I was budgeting about 1,000, but we'll see how it goes. I want to do about 500 a month. So anyways, guys, that's where my money's going to be going, is electricity and oil for now. Anything that I see that's, more than like a 30% drop. So FRT would be getting bought. Lowe's is going to be getting bought. AXP, SKT is a definite buy for me. Dominion and Exxon, everything looks nice. So let me know what you guys are buying in this market correction, market crash, whatever you want to call it. Let me know what you guys are buying. Remember to hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel, and when you do, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any updates. I post Monday through Friday. I know I missed last Friday. I apologize. Work's been a little crazy, so I'm going to try to keep it as consistent as possible, but I did notice I still got subscribers on Friday. I still got views, so it's great. So anyways, guys, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you tomorrow with another dividend investing video. Remember, be long-term investors. This is just an opportunity to get great deals on great companies. Take advantage of the red. Don't be afraid of it. Thanks, guys. I'll see you tomorrow in another dividend investing video. Take care.